Prepare for a throwback, because today we're making our inner child happy and taking a trip down memory lane with the help of our new portable retro game console. The year was 1985. Times were simpler and so were graphics on video games. The NES was just released and so many mind-blowing games were hitting the market. You had Contra, Pac-Man, Mario, the Alien series, Tom and Jerry, Batman, and so much more. Now these are just a few of my favorite titles. And the retro console that we're reviewing today claims to have 1,000 titles to take you down all the different nostalgic roads to your favorite universes. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, 2 wireless controllers, a 3-pronged micro USB charging cable, an AV jack, a rechargeable battery, a console tray with nice rubber grips on the bottom, and a 1001 game cartridge. Remove the screen protector, and your mobile game screen is revealed. On the bottom of the screen cartridge, you can find little notches that clip into your controller. This makes it so you can take it with you and have those retro games on the go. Perhaps you're on a long drive or out camping. This will keep you entertained for many hours to come. And when you're done, everything tucks away nice and neat inside of your console dock. I used the 3-prong charger to charge the device, and it was so convenient being able to charge all the devices from one charger. After it was charged, I took it over to my buddy's house for a night of retro gaming. We used the docking station to hook it up to the TV and booted it up. Then, you select your language, and then you're greeted with a massive list of games. Select the one you want, and you're good to go.
Mike's going here. He's about to win. They're scattering. You're gonna have to make it work. Oh!
We hung out and played all the classic games. We'd play one for a bit, then switch to the next, sharing a fun trip down memory lane. In the past, you'd have a friend with one game and another friend with a different game. You'd have to hang out at each other's house and bring your expensive game cartridges with you to play multiple games in a night. But now is the future. Now we can hold select and start at the same time to go back to the main menu and select whatever game you want next. The options are endless. Maybe you have kids and you'd like to show them what life was like before the world of joysticks. Or maybe you're like me and have a personal connection to some of those old games. Then you're gonna love this console. The graphics are just as good as you remember, if not better, because we have better TVs to play on now. And then you have the convenience of clipping the controller directly to your screen and having a retro Game Boy to play wherever you want. The ability to take this with you and play on the go sets this apart from the rest. Now you can play at the pump or while taking a dump, even if you're driving and hit a bump. There's no spinning disc that will skip or a cartridge that can knock loose. All your games are in your screen, and the controllers are wireless, allowing them to work attached or detached. Give one to a friend and play 2-player games on the TV. Or go handheld and play by yourself in your free time. You're gonna love it. Now out of the 1,000 games, I noticed a few repeats, so it might be a little less than 1,000 games, but there's definitely a ton of them, and they all work. And don't be afraid to hit all the titles either. Due to Nintendo's awful copyright laws, there might be some hidden gems in there. But for me, this makes it even more fun and rewarding when you find a retro game that you know and love. So if you're a fan of retro games as well, this console might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go find some more of my old favorite retro titles. See ya.